Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe today. So I'm going to show you some mystery boxes that I got from Lion Brand. I love mystery boxes. And I think Lion Brands are not bad. I always buy them when they have them, or I try to. I missed out last time, but I did get them this time. And I've seen some pictures on my Facebook page of what other people have been getting. They look all right. I hope I get some Lion Brand landscapes. I've seen some people getting that. That yarn works great for stitch tutorials for me and stuff like that. Anyways, do you guys want to open it up? So if you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We talk about anything yarn and crochet related. And if you look in the link in the description box, the very first link, I got over 1,000 crochet tutorials for you to check out and enjoy. So, and I continue to make them. All right, so let's do this. Lion Brand mystery boxes. I don't remember if I got 2 or 3 because usually it takes a little while to get them because they have quite a few orders when they do them. It looks like I got 3. Now I will say I have bought Lion Brand mystery boxes so many times over the years that I know that they're probably all three going to be the same. I always say this, but because they say that on the website as well, that you're probably going to get the same thing, but there's always that excitement of maybe, just maybe, want to be different. Tap it a couple times. Anyways, these are $19.99 when they have them. I'm not certain if they have them now, but they do have them often. So the best thing you can do is sign up to Lion Brand's mailing list, and they'll send you an email when they come in. Also, when they have good clearance sales sometimes too. So I always recommend that. You guys ready? Oh man, I'm gonna try to guess. I bet that's some cakes. That's gotta be mandala stripes, or mandala tweed stripes, or maybe comfy cotton. Man, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, so it was comfy cotton. I do like the comfy cotton. They had this in their mystery boxes not too long ago, and I made a long vest out of it with sleeves. I have a tutorial for it if you check it out on my channel underneath women's clothing. It's the same color. I used it because I excuse me, I got so many of them in my mystery boxes. Well, now I have 3 more. Okay. Ooh. Lion Brand Just Hemp. Alright, so I've had this before. I can tell you that it's not one of my favorite yarns from Lion Brand. But I think that it works good for bags. Otherwise it's kind of scratchy, you know what I mean? Or baskets, something like that. It's a bulky 5-weight, 100% hemp. So yeah, stuff like bag or a basket or something like that. I don't know. I do. It's pretty blue. 3 of those. Lion Brand Deluxe Jumbo. I've had this, you know, I actually have a tutorial using this as well. I made a cat bed out of this before, out of orange. You should check it out on my channel, and it'll be underneath my playlist of animal crochet stuff. It turned out quite nice. I don't mind this. It's, you know, it's a bulky yarn. I like bulky yarns though, but this is like a number 7. You got to use a big hook with it, but it's really soft, and it worked well for the cat bed. It held up on its own and everything. Maybe I'll make a basket or something out of it, or maybe I'll give it away. I'm not certain, but so that was in my first mystery bag. I'm gonna probably say I didn't get no landscapes. No, that's okay. I don't care. I like Lion Brand's mystery box. I'm gonna say these are all gonna be the same though, but there's only one way to find out. And I don't mind them being the same because that's just more the same yarn. You know, you can make a bigger project with. Oh my gosh, it's the same. So I got 3 more deluxe. So I got 6 of those now. 3 more of the Just Hemp. I might make a bag out of that actually, but it's a little rough on the hands. But and 3 more of these. You know, I won't keep any of these comfy cottons because I do not need them. I made a vest out of them last time and got rid of all the others that I had. So now I have more. All right, here's another one. Come on, come on. It's gonna be different. No more. It's nice to say. It's okay. I got 3 more comfy cottons. So I now have 9 of these comfy cotton blends. And there are 392 yards in each cake. So that's almost 400 yards per cake. And I got 9 of them. I can't keep them. Probably go give them to my neighbor. Then I got 9 of the Just Hemp. Like I said, maybe I'd make a bag out of it, but like it is a little rough on the hands. I'll probably give them to my neighbor too. The Velux though, I think I might keep this and maybe make either another type of pet bed. People seem to like those. I do have several on my channel, but or a basket of some sort, or maybe a plushie. I'm not that great at them, but you know, I could always give it a go. So I think I'll keep these. I have 9 of them, so that's plenty of that to make something, whatever I wanted to make. So it was fun. I had a good time. Lion Brand mystery boxes, I'm never disappointed in them because they're just some of my favorite mystery boxes to get. They're super fun to open. They always have been. And like I said, I'm gonna keep the pink Velux and walk the rest of this over to my neighbor, but because I don't need it. I'm trying to. I don't keep my yarn that I open on camera sometimes, but most of the time I give it away or donate it or something, or put it in mystery boxes. So I just have fun showing people, and it's really a good time. I love mystery boxes. But I do keep some about every once in a while. Like I'm gonna keep that Velux. So thank you all for watching. I hope that you had a good time. I sure did. It was a lot of fun. And I'll see you on my next video. All right, whatever that might be. Bye guys.